So rainy out here. It's all overcast, but it's another beautiful day. Is that construction or is that thunder? I don't know. But today's July 1st. Thank God for another beautiful day. I spotted this yesterday, but I'm going to show y'all today. This is just some beautiful flowers. It's just like a bunch of overgrown stuff over there next door. But I saw those flowers and I like, they're so beautiful. They usually have honeysuckles growing on the gate over there, but I haven't smelled them this season yet. Jack, come on. Come on, Schmoop Schmoop. Let's go in the house. You see, it's all right. When you want something out of life, you got to be determined like a weed. That weed is just like so determined. It's just growing up through the deck. It's just like, I'm growing anyway. I don't care if it's something right here. Every time I try to just chill, you see, I'm just chilling her. He's like, come, let's play. He's like, let's play. All right, I'm coming. See, he's bought the ball. You want to play? Do you want to play? He's trying to coax me downstairs. Let me get this ball. Why you leave it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Look at that tail wagging. Do you want it? You ready? Come on. You gonna get it? Or you want me to kick it down there? See? Come on. What you want? What you want? What you want? All I gotta do is just chase him around the basement. And he don't like to share, so it's gonna be easy to get the ball away from him. He don't like to share. Hey, y'all. Got my hair out today. I've been wearing it twisted, and so I took my twist down because it was like a little fuzzy. But my hair is not really dirty, so I said I'll wear it down for a little while. But guess what? I miss y'all. Did y'all miss me? Yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog every day for July. I've been putting out a little stuff here and there, me being nosy, and my daughter's Trader Joe's haul. I was gonna be nosy with my other daughter's Ulta stuff, but she was like, no, get out my bag. So I'm like, I can respect that. So she said get out her bag, so I'm gonna get out of her bag. And then now, I've been online dating. No, I've been like meeting people online, like talking to people. Not even meeting people online, because how you gonna meet somebody online? I've been talking to people online, and I have somebody who wants to meet me for drinks tonight. So I'm like, maybe I should get my toes done. Yeah, but I gotta drive up pickup to get, so we're gonna get that drive up pickup, and then I'm gonna get my toes done, hopefully, if it's not too late, because it's already like after 6. So, and today's July the 1st, so hopefully somebody can get me in to get my toes done. I was gonna go get my toes done first. I was going in the wrong direction, but anyway, I'm turning back around now, and so I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll have, if I go out for drinks tonight, I'll have them take a picture of me so you guys can see, and then what I put on or whatever. And if not, we're not gonna talk about this. No, I'm just playing. Like, she's so silly. Have y'all tried this Olipop? This is the root beer one. This tastes just like root beer. It tastes just like a root beer soda. Like, not like a float root beer soda, but it tastes just like root beer. It's good. I'm just drinking it so I can burp my belch or whatever you call it. But yeah. Oh, here's what I was gonna tell y'all. I did not know online dating was so difficult, and I did not know, like, basically that's the route people are going to meet people is online. So I just put it out there. I'm like, let me just try it and see if I like it. And so far, it's been alright. It's been like a week maybe. I've already ran into two people that I already know, which is hilarious. But yeah, it's two people I already know, and then I've already had like one strange encounter. Yes, that was hilarious, and I don't know. For the most part, it's been okay. So I'm gonna see where this takes me, and maybe it's just gonna be a little bit of practice for me until I really just go ahead and just this would be me putting my toe in the water until I'm ready to go ahead and just take the plunge into dating, I guess, whatever. It's me getting acclimated back to talking to somebody because it's like weird after you're in a long, I don't even know why I'm doing this because it was actually a long relationship. Like, after you're in a long relationship, it's hard to just start meeting new people. And that's my thing. I end up falling like back in the thing of like talking to people that I already knew before, but it's like if it didn't work out before, then why I try to do it now? Yeah, so that's what that's about. So get these toes done though, because I guess come correct. Plus, I like my toes done anyway, so yeah. But let me go on. It's funny, a little kid was in the car next to me, and she just turned around. It's like, who's she talking to? She must have seen y'all sitting up on the dashboard. She's like, who's she talking to? But yeah, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Okay, yeah, I didn't go nowhere, but here's my toes. I feel like it came out pretty cute. I like the gold. I didn't get white like I normally do. I said, let me go with the gold. It's raining outside. It's storming, so I'm like, I'm not going out in the storm. But I really like my toes. This is a cute color. I think it complements my skin tone well. And this will be my polish for the next month, I guess.